A new mainboard IPO from the power sector is set to enter the market, Om Power Transmission Limited. Here is a brief overview. The company operates as an EPC player in the power transmission infrastructure segment with over 14 years of experience in executing high voltage and extra high voltage transmission lines, substations, and underground cabling projects on turnkey basis. Its EPC capabilities extend to transmission line ranging from 11 kilovolts to 400 kilovolts and substation up to 220 kilovolts. The IPO comprises a total issue of up to 85,75,000 equity shares of face value 10 each. This includes a fresh issue of up to 75,75,000 equity shares and offer for sale of up to 10 lakh equity shares by promoter selling shareholder. The total issue size is in the range of rupees 142 crores to rupees 150 crores. The price band has been set at rupees 166 to rupees 175 per share and the minimum bid lot is 85 share with bids to be made in multiple thereafter. The issue is being offered through the book building process. Anchor bidding is scheduled on 8 April 2026 while the issue opens 9th April 2026 and closes on 13th April 2026. The equity shares are proposed to be listed on NSE and BSE. In terms of allocation, up to 50% of the offer is available for qualified institutional buyer, not less than 15% for non-institutional investor, and not less than 35% for retail individual investor, in line with SEBI regulations. The proceeds from the fresh issue will be used for capital expenditure, debt repayment, working capital requirement, and general corporate purposes. Follow Connexio Network for more such structured IPO updates.